Well, warmest greetings, dance lovers. This is Ari Levitt coming to you from the North Island of New Zealand here at beautiful Lake Taupo. Lake Taupo is a natural geothermal spot where they get a lot of their electrical supply for the North Island. But it's also a beautiful, beautiful resort area where they have natural hot springs that spill into the local river here. You can see behind me people enjoying a little R&R by the hot springs. And of course, this reminds me so much of Harrison Hot Springs. We are having our Harrison Hot Springs Dance and Spa Retreat coming up April 17th to 19th, just in a few short weeks, really. And I'd love to invite you guys to come out and enjoy a little of this beautiful, beautiful setting. There, of course, we're in the mountains, we're on the lake. We also have the Copper Room, which is a historic dance room with live music every night, wonderful dance classes, great group of dancers to meet with, and of course, this lovely setting. So I'd love to get you guys to come this year. Please come out and join us. If you want information about it, it's at www.thedancespa.com. Think thedancespa.com. Go ahead, sign up, and I really, really hope to see you guys there this year.